Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best car DVR dashcams. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Lingdu AM100. Specifications: brand name, Lingdu. Model, AM100. Data storage capacity, 64 GB. Screen ratio, 4:3. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC 4653. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Interface, AVN, USB 2.0, micro SD/DF. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Huawei. Frames per second, 30. Aperture, f=1.75. Bluetooth, BLE 4.2. Wi-Fi, built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Viewing angle, 150 degrees. Warranty, 1 year. Number 4 on our list is Red Tiger F17. Specifications: brand name, Red Tiger. Model, F17. Aperture, f1.55. Display, LCD. View angle, 130 to 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Interface, USB 2.0, Type-C. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. Number 3 on our list is JC400P4G GPS DashCam. Specifications: brand name, Jimimex. Operating system, Android 8.1 Go. Input and output, USB. Battery capacity, 450 mAh. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, R0230. Pixels, 130 mega. GPS logger, external. Interface, SD, MMC, micro SD, DF. Chipset manufacturer, MediaTek. Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz, 802.11b/g/n. Bluetooth, BLE 4.0. Weight, 0.89 kg. Number 2 on our list is HP Dashcam F969X. Specifications: brand name, HP. Aperture, f1.8. Display, LCD. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 140. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 1. Pixels, 800 mega. Interface, USB 2.0. Chipset manufacturer, MStar. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 101 grams. Number 1 on our list is Upgrade AZDOME M550 Pro. Specifications: brand name, AZDOME. Aperture, 1.8. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC 4653. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3-5. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.35 kilograms.